Let's walk through a BSIM4 MBP Quick Start demo. To select the MOSFET model, you would choose Model, select Model. The Model Type dialog box would pop up. And under Project Type, you can select the DC radio button. Under Model Selection, you can choose MOSFET, BSIM4, and version 4.8. Under the formatted selection, you can select HSpice. There's also a selection for Spectre. Let's choose HSpice and choose OK. A warning message will appear saying, totally normal that the current model data will be cleared and a new project will be started. You can choose yes. Step 2. Let's load the measurement data that goes along with this. So you choose File, Load. A dialog box will appear. Go to the BSIM4 example data folder. Choose one file and Control A. And that will select all the MDM data files in the folder. As soon as those data files are loaded, the graphs appear immediately. The symbols shown here denote the measurement data, and the continuous lines denote the simulated data. The simulation occurs instantly due to MBP's built-in SPICE simulator, which is a hidden gem. Step 3. It's optional, but you can load custom model files, as we have in this example case that's provided. So to use File, Model, Load, navigate to the example BSIM4 example.elf file supplied with this demo, and you can instantly view the graphs. Step 4. So go to the MBP device navigator panel. Look through that. There's different devices with variable channel width, length, and temperature. Below the navigator panel is the page panel. The page panel passes up information from the measured data, such as IDVD, IDVG sweeps. Step 5. Let's tune some model parameters. Go back to the 10x10 device in the device navigator panel. Try to adjust V2H. So search for VTH. Hit enter when you see VTH 0, the one that you want to tune. As soon as you hit enter to the right, you see that the VTH tune bar appears. You can move it to the left. You can move it to the right, as shown here. And the graphs respond instantly. And at the bottom left, there's that RMS value. You want to drive that down as close to 0 as we can to get a best fit. Step 6. Let's talk about the requirements to do optimization. So you select one or more model parameters, step 1, that you want to tune or optimize in this case. And then you're going to select a region. And that can be on multiple graphs and multiple regions. And to do that, it's a two-step process. You're going to hold down the Control key, and then you're going to draw a rectangle. Then you're ready to hit the green Play Optimize button, and you're off to the races.